Dutch freeze drying machines show remarkable innovation in pharmaceuticals, meeting the industry's high standards for drug quality and stability with reliable solutions for R&D and production. In antibiotic API freeze-dried powder injection production, Dutch freeze drying machine suppliers excel. Their advanced, affordable machines precisely control freeze-drying temperature and pressure, maximizing active ingredient retention. This ensures higher purity, stability, and longer shelf life. For biologics like vaccines and engineered drugs, the Dutch freeze drying machine offers ideal storage. Freeze drying lets these temperature-sensitive products be stored and transported at room temperature long-term, cutting costs and boosting accessibility. Such innovation makes Dutch freeze drying machines vital in pharmaceuticals, aiding human